Hello everybody, here's Helgi from Elliott Wave Forecast on 27th of March, and today we will take a look on Swiss market index on 1 hour. I'm using Switzerland 20 CFDs. These CFDs are on SMI futures, which is basically the same as SMI, besides the fact that in futures which never sleep, you see all the internal waves, which is easier to count them, right? But the outlook for futures and for index are basically the same. So now SMI has a medium-term bottom in place on 16th of March. And from here, we're going higher. Big Brother DAX also has printed this bottom around these dates here. And the US indices were still in progress to the downside these days. On 23rd of March, when the SMI has made already first leg higher and the correction lower, US indices have bottomed. So from here, we're moving all together in all most relevant indices to the upside. And because US indices will most probably extend higher, SMI looks like it has to do the same. And it is really a nice pattern what we see here. It's looks like it will become a 7 swings double correction structure, which is corrective. So for those who think the market is going higher, we should buy. Please don't, because it's a correction. It does not look at any stage here that this is an impulse to the upside. Even though after 3 waves lower, technically we can go higher. But this structure, I don't see anything which tells me it will extend higher in an impulsive manner. So the most probable scenario would be the achievement of the equal legs extension area here around 9670. If you have open positions, you should sell your open positions, because most probably the market will correct lower. So if you have forgotten to sell it here or here, you have still open positions in stocks, ETFs, everything related to the indices. Don't overextend it, because from here market can fall lower. There's no any guarantee, but most probably it will go lower. If you don't have any positions, please don't sell the market. Don't make short selling. So don't short sell the market. It's dangerous because the stock market is in generally always bullish. So therefore, don't sell and wait for a better buying opportunity. You will not miss it. You will not miss it, because if it is corrective, what can happen? So if it's corrective, it can go lower, right? So if it's 1, 2, 3, there's no other way unless the mass psychology will change, like tomorrow or next week. It should extend lower, because after 3 waves higher, we know it goes again lower, or at least it will make a pullback, like in 3 waves, and we will have kind of 11 swings, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So anyway, it remains corrective. The only way how it can become an impulse at the end is a leading diagonal. It is too early to talk about leading diagonal at this stage, but for leading diagonal we would need 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, and this peak should come with divergence in RSI towards this peak. In this case, it can become a leading diagonal, and then buyers can enter the market at the equal legs area here. Right, so unless you see these 5 waves higher, we're not there at this moment. We're not there. But once we see this, and I will talk on it maybe in 1 week, then you can expect a 3 waves pullback and you can buy here. Right? So why buying here? Why buying here? You risk. But if it goes here, you can buy. Or if it goes from here in an impulsive move, then we can expect a similar extension of this. Like it will be really tremendous for the market. So like politicians, economists, will just get cold crazy, right? So they will start printing money even more in higher speed, because we have already quantitative easing. it can go even more crazy in economy. But for investors, it changed nothing. So if the market will top here and it will extend impulsive move lower, don't buy it here, don't buy it here, buy it at equal leg extension area at about 610, 6010, my God. So really deep, right? So here would be next opportunity for buyers. So if it goes like this, and this, you buy here, the 6010, or if it makes 5 waves higher, you buy here. There's no other opportunities to trade the market in stocks. No other opportunity I can see I can provide you. So thank you for your attention and trade safe.